So I dyed my hair black. It was already black, but it's just been gradually fading over time. And I'm trying to stay away from hair dye right now because I just want my hair to be as healthy as possible. You guys can still see some of this hair dye on my roots, but I'm trying to not wash it either so that the color stays in longer. Anyways, I am blabbering on too much. I picked up the Luxy Halo extensions. I'm in love with the Halo extensions because it alleviates the weight of hair extensions. The string up here helps with that. So I'm going to be reviewing the jet black hair extensions. If you guys want to see a review on the off black, you guys can do like a comparison if you are not sure if you should get jet black or off black. I'm going to have that video linked up here, but today we're going to be reviewing the jet black color, so let's go ahead and get started.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't want to be.
The box looks like this. Okay, you open it up. Take off that little top part. There's a little sticker right here that says you cannot return or exchange if this portion right here is open. So you get this top part right here. It tells you all the information about your extensions, and it has a little weft like this one. It also has this extra string at the top. This is the size small, which is definitely too small for my big old head. This sample weft is going to be for you to see if it's going to be the match for your hair. Like, you want to make sure that it matches your hair or it matches what you want from your extensions, because sometimes you want to buy extensions and you just dye them to match your hair color. That's if you are on the lighter side, but yeah, I would not dye it the jet black. Here you can see that it is the perfect fit because I just dyed my hair too, so I'm pretty happy with this. So we're going to go ahead and proceed with opening up this portion of the box. Okay. You remove this sticker. Oh, shit. And you get this opened up. And here you have your halo extension. And the other, I think it's like two of these wefts, okay? So you have the top one, and then you have an extra in here along with the halo extension. They also give you a few of these clips in case they do become loose, which I have not experienced yet. These Luxy extensions are the best quality extensions that I've tried this far. And then you also get a bunch of different size strings. So you have like extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, extra, extra large, which is kind of like where I go towards because I have a big head, okay? I'm a very smart girl. The extensions are wrapped in a little hairnet like that to keep them from getting frizzy, and it also like just keeps them neatly inside of the box. Here you have the extensions, and here's that second clip weft that I told you guys. Okay, these usually go towards the front to frame the face, but here is the halo extension. This is what it looks like. It has a total of 4 clips on the back of your head, and then this goes onto the top. You part your hair. Let me show you guys. Hold on, let me show you the color first. This is jet black. Like, it's black. It's black. Definitely excited to get these styled. You guys can curl these extensions. You can wash them. It's human hair, 100% human hair. So have fun with these. I definitely do. I love these extensions. They're super thick. You guys can see the halo extension is pretty thick. You can also do different hairstyles with these. I like doing like half updos or even ponytails. You can do whatever you want. Today I'm just going to apply them down and maybe kind of curl them a little bit. Do I curl them? I don't know. We'll see. There's no particular way that you have to part your hair. You can do it down the middle like that. I kind of like, this is how my hair naturally falls because of my widow's peak right there. So just take a straight line and then part your hair into a little halo. Since the string is a little bit smaller, I have to do a smaller halo up here. I think the halo size that is on the extensions right now is a size small. So I'm just parting my hair like this. And then we're going to take the halo extension weft. And I'm going to take these 2 clips and clip them. Actually, all of them. And then just begin to clip them on the back. And clip that one like that. Bringing the string over to the front. We're going to release the hair. Alright, and now I'm going to take a rat tail comb and then just bring the hair through. Just like that. And my hair extensions are now in place. These 2 extra wefts, you can apply them to frame your face, but I do have face framing layers that I really love and I want them to show through. So I'm just happy with the halo extension itself, and it's more than enough hair for them to look natural. So I'm going to skip on this and I'm going to go ahead and style my... Do I even need to? I actually don't even need to curl these. These are already looking pretty curled towards the ends. That's how I have my natural hair. It's just curled at the ends. And this here is what the hair extensions look like in the front. Keep in mind that I am 4'11". I'm very petite, so they might look longer on me than they will on you. They're so bouncy and so beautiful. I know this review was very short, but if you want a more in-depth video, then definitely check out my off black hair extensions. I mean, it's the same thing except that these are jet black. So yeah, I really go into it in that video. I'm gonna go ahead and link it towards the end of the video. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to sit down, hang out with me. If you guys have any questions regarding these extensions, I'm gonna link them down below in the description box, and I will answer any questions you guys may have down below in the comments. I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.sonadoraofficial.com.